Hey guys, Russian Rider here. This is my Victory Octane RPW exhaust sound comparison. Now, ever since I got my Victory Octane, the first thing that I wanted to do is switch out this big, heavy, and super quiet exhaust for one that's going to let the engine breathe a bit more and sound much more like the bike was meant to sound. Now, this is where the RPW USA Convict exhaust comes in. Now, I'm going to have a full exhaust installation guide for the Victory Octane coming up soon, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on that video. Most online sound tests don't accurately represent the exhaust note because of auto volume leveling. I'm using a pro level mic with manually set gain to give the most true to life comparison possible. Let's take a listen. Wow, that is a huge difference. I'm sure you'd agree that this is how the Victory Octane was meant to sound like. Now let's hear what it sounds like on the road. If you guys like how this sounds, give this video a like and let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'm going to have a link to this exhaust, so definitely go and check that out and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on the full exhaust installation video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.